All right, so we got our 3/8 ratchet in here. I'm gonna crack this loose. I'm just gonna pull the plug out. And if some oil comes out, we're gonna take a little sample and see what it looks like. If not, we're gonna stick our finger in there. All right, there's a little coming out and it's nice and clean. So our fluid level is full. It's nice clean oil in here that we can see. So I'm happy with that. I'm gonna tighten the plug back up. We're still letting our oil drain while we're doing this, trying to get as much out of the crankcase as we can. Okay, we've inspected the exhaust system on it. That's all holding up well. You know, looking at the rubber hangers, making sure none of them are split. So, that was all good. He's got a little axle joint over here that's starting to sweat a little bit. So the axle's sweating a little. We're gonna check our fluid level on the front right now on this. And you know, so we got a transmission pan we're gonna keep an eye on. We got a fuel tank skirt, that's the cover that's holding up the tank. We keep an eye on that. We'll keep an eye on this little thing right here. And you know, you're gonna know that these are things you're just gonna wanna keep an eye on. If you're puddling, they get worse. You know, we're gonna have to address them. So let's check this fluid level up front here. Because we know that we're puddling a little bit, we wanna make sure that we're not low on fluid. Same thing, we pull the plug out. We're gonna look to see if it leaks right out. And it does, and it's full. And it's clean looking. So that's all right. Gear oil, when you have a little bit of a leak, it looks like a lot of a leak. So that's why you always check your fluid level. So if your fluid level is full, we're not too concerned about that. If it starts puddling in your driveway and you're concerned about it, then we address it. But this has a short list of things that, you know, we have to keep an eye on. And any vehicle that you're gonna be driving, if it's a used vehicle, you gotta keep an eye on it.